Now, India has surpassed the 1 lakh coronavirus cases that have been reported. The number of cases now climbed to 1,01,139 in India on Tuesday, and the death toll has now risen to 3,163. India registered an increase of 134 deaths and 4,970 positive cases in the last 24 hours. According to the Union Health Ministry, these figures have come in. It took about 64 days for COVID-19 cases in India to touch the 1 lakh mark from 100. Of course, in comparison, India to other countries, India has fared better in terms of the numbers going from 100 all the way to 1 lakh. But remember, from 50,000 to 1 lakh cases, the doubling rate has happened in the span of 12 days. Of course, India still has fared better in compared to United States, Spain and Italy. Due to the lockdown, largely the spread was contained. Nonetheless, we're still looking at cases only on the rise. Let's quickly go over to Kamaljeet joining us live for more details on this. Kamaljeet, just the last 24 hours, 134 deaths and 4,970 positive cases reported. It's worrisome that despite the lockdown, the cases of COVID-19 are still on the rise. Death toll also is not something that we're able to contain. But one can only imagine if this lockdown wasn't in place, then what would have been the situation?
Yeah, every time there's an extension of lockdown, there seems to be a spike in cases, and this lockdown 4 is more about living with coronavirus. Now, yes, states have taken more onus and responsibility from the center by means of defining of these particular zones, defining of hotspots. So in that sense, Arvind Kejriwal has already said that we have prepared for more number of cases. Now, in the eventuality that there is a lack of vaccine, this is likely to spread. Prevention is better than cure. So social distancing, mask, precaution is something that one needs to individually exercise. Now, the government has also heavily relied on technology, Arogya Setu app being made compulsory in a certain sense. But yes, they're just advising this. It's not really penalized if you don't have one. But clearly, the situation doesn't seem to be under control just as of now. When we're talking about flattening of the curve, remember the government has still not admitted to any sort of community transmission. So that means the number of cases continue to rise steadily, now crossing over 1 lakh overall. That is obviously giving a clear indication that things are steadily increasing as far as these COVID cases are concerned. This has to be obviously go along with economic activities, which the government has said was the reason for opening up. But clearly, migrant issue is there. Trains going and to and fro with migrants is an issue. So clearly, we are not just over with COVID yet. We are somewhere in the middle, and dealing with this particular crisis is left now largely to the state governments. And at this point of time, things look worrying, yet the governments are putting up a brave face.
Kamaljeet, thank you very much for joining us. Of course, India is putting up a brave front. Eventually, we've got to live with this virus, but for now, the numbers are certainly worrisome.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.